How to create a landing page in Wix. Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can build your own landing page in Wix, which can drive traffic and lead to high conversions, because landing pages have one purpose, that is to make people click on your call to action. Whether you are selling a product, promoting something, or trying to get more views on something, your landing page usually serves only one function, and you can easily build that on Wix. So let's get started. Click on Create New Site to start building Wix. And here is a really major issue that I see with a lot of people. When they are building their website or their landing page, they forget the difference between the two. So a landing page does not have any submenu items. A landing page is a singular page. It does not have any navigation panels. It does not have any linking pages. I do know that a lot of people are now adapting landing pages and including those things, but that just makes it a website. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be focusing on building a really high converting landing page. That is what we want. We want as many people to click on our Buy Now button, to click on our Book Now button, to click on the Shop Now button. So we're going to be proceeding with that in mind. Now, Wix has some templates as well, and their templates, again, and they have navigation menus and they have many different pages, which defeats the purpose of having a landing page. So let's go ahead and start building our own, which we will customize. Now, I'm not saying that you can't build multiple pages, but if you do, you can actually use a template provided by Wix because they do have some stunning templates available. So now that we have loaded up our blank canvas, let's get started. So on the top left, I'm going to add my landing page business name. So this is going to be your overarching business name. Let's say for us, this is going to be Durden, like this. And then on the right, again, we have a vector art placement and we can add our own logo over there. But for me, because I don't have one already, I'm just going to increase the size of my brand name like so. Now on the right, you're going to see a horizontal menu. I'm directly deleting this. Now, after that, we have a blank section. In this blank section, you're going to choose a designed section. And in your design section, you will see a bunch of different designs. Now, you can proceed with the one that you prefer the most. That is totally up to you. I am going to be using this banner over here as an example. Now over here, I'm going to click on the text and click on edit text over here. Now I'm going to be editing the text and adding my key hook. So clearance sale at Durden. And now below that, I want to lead to a shop now button. So I'll click on the button at the bottom and then I'll click on settings and then I will change the text to say shop now. And now after that, within your button settings, I'm going to scroll down a little to show you guys. But in your button settings, if I click on my button, I will see the link option. And then I want it to open up a new window and link to a certain web address. Now, this is just a Stripe login page. You can link to a Stripe checkout or your Wix checkout, depending on where you are selling your product. Now, after that, it's time to change this section background. So for that, you will see if I click on the section over here, I can click on these three dots and I have the options of set as global, save as an asset. Now, I am going to be removing the background. So for that, I can even go into the layers of the section. Editor add-ons, breakpoints, global. I seem to, I'll open the section from here. We have a stack, we have our background. In this, we are going to duplicate, rename, hide, arrange. And we are going to change the background element like this, and we can upload our own media files. We're just going to add something like this to the background. Now, I think this is a bit too off. I'm just going to remove that, and we are going to keep a simple text stack. Now, you guys can see because the text is white, it's not going to show up. So again, I will click on this, click on shape dividers and none. We can even add this eclipse type effect. We can add this liquid type effect. I think I like this liquid type effect. And we are going to click on customize design. number of repeats, layer effect if you want to do some layering. We can also choose the opacities and colors of the effects that we are adding. If you want, you can choose to remove this effect completely as well. This is just a personal preference on how you want to make your text appear. And I will click on over here to our first section, and I think I might want to alternate this with this one. And over here, I'll write shop the sale 50% off, and then I can click on add elements. And then once I click on add elements, I will go into buttons and I will drag and drop a button over here right at the center of both of these. And again, I will change the text to a buy now button and add a hyperlink to my sale page or to that particular collection page. Now below that, this is our initial section, which for some reason I think has got a bug or something. I'm going to cut this out. And for our landing page, the next thing is to provide the value. So why should people click on the shop now? What is so interesting about this that they're not going to find anywhere else? So for that, you can go ahead and go into your sections on the top. And by going into sections, you will see a bunch of options. Now in this, you can use things like testimonials. So you're not going to actually write testimonials in this. Just add the section and then go into your pages. You can structure your page sections. So I will take this section and I will move this down like this. And then over here, you're going to add different benefits or features of your product, service, or your sale. So this is maybe a clearance sale. I would most definitely recommend you remove the vector art over here. Then in your page over here, you're going to go on ahead and customize the text or the features for your landing page. Now, in a landing page, there need to be clear call to action. So in every section, in almost every section, I recommend that you add a call to action button, because if there is not a call to action, people are not going to be incentivized to click on the call to action because, oh, if it's not here, oh, whatever, I don't care. So it's really important to include call to actions, things like browse this collection, shop now, grab the bag, or anything along those lines. And in this way, once you have completed your editing, you can click on publish. And if you want, you can also go ahead and preview your site by clicking on the top left and then clicking on preview or clicking on this eye icon over here. This is what our landing page currently looks like. And if I click on the buy now, it would lead me to the Stripe checkout. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.